Operation tutorial essential matching with CRT 100. Part 1. Pre-program sensor. Note the TPMS sensors must be programmed and activated first by using the launch TPMS tool. Place the sensor near the device. Click tire pressure system. Click 72 retrofit. Click 90 33. Click 1. Click program sensor. Click automatic creation. Part 2. Sensor matching. Notes before sensor matching. Ensure that the pre-programmed sensors are properly installed in the tires. Now we'll check the sensor matching process of the left front wheel as an example. Hold inches button to power on. Press inches button for 5 times to the matching mode. Deflating the tire. Tire pressure data will be shown on the corresponding tire position, and tire position indicator will be flashing. Press inches button to save the data. Press inches button to match the next sensor. Hold inches button for 3 seconds to save and exit the matching mode. The sensor of the remaining 3 tires could be matched in turn according to the above method. Thanks for watching.